Today, me with my friends, we are going to Serlui Waterfalls, which is located on the way to the lake side in Aizawl city. So keep on watching the full video with us. So we have parked our scooty near the roadside, and now we have to go inside the jungle to reach our location. So follow with us. So now we have to climb up. Since the road is not that much good, so we have to go inside the forest, throw out the muddy way, and let's see where we reach. Here we have found a big water pipe. Now we have to go walking on the top of the water pipe throughout the journey, whole journey.
If you fall down, then attack like go high here. So there is no way.
So we are coming from this way, and we have to go straight like this.
Come, careful, yeah.
Purba is walking on the bike. He's having a good time.
So we are crossing the way now. There is no proper way. So my friends are crossing the bridge. You can see how scary it is.
Yeah, give me.
So finally we have reached our main location, the Serlui Waterfalls. You can see the beauty of the waterfalls here. Wow!
Really close, up close.
So today we have come to this waterfall. Can you see the waterfalls? It's so beautiful. So this is somewhere near the Aizawl city. This waterfall, you can see the beautiful waterfalls around here. So here, my friends, they're cooking here. So here, so my friends are cooking here, and we're bamboo shoot, no? Bamboo shoot or
Meat.
meat? Oh, nice. We're cutting the bamboo shoot here. Pork meat. Oh, okay. And here, this is the bamboo shoot. They're going to put it here. And they will fry here. So here I have seen some beautiful butterflies. Some are like black, some are like brown and yellow. So I'm just trying to take a close video of them without disturbing them. Let's see.